Good day, ma'am. I'm Eric Iko, and I will talk about elements and state, the fundamental principles and state policy under the Philippines Constitution. First, population. The people who lives in the country, because without them, a state will not exist. Next is the territory. Territory, which is the land, water, and airspace that belong the nation. Then we have government, the group that create laws, manage resources, and leads the people. Lastly, there's sovereignty, which means the country has the highest authority to government itself without being controlled by other nations. Next, principles and policies. Roles of the youth. The youth important partner in building the nation. For example, ISKI official conduct clean-up drive and sports program para molambo ato ang barangay. Next, independent foreign policy. The Philippines decide its own policies with dealing with other countries. For example, mas gipili nato ang mas maka-benefits atong mag-uma even the other countries is disagree. Third is protection of family and life. The government values the family as the fundamental of the nation and protect life from conception to natural death. For example, libre check-up, serbisyo sa mga buntis, aron siguro na to ang safety sa inahan ug ang bata. Next, maintenance of peace and order. The government works to ensure safety, protect the people's rights, and enforce the law. For example, barangay tanod. First na to masampit is mga barangay tanod. Og naay mga kanang krimen. Then next is mga pulis. Ano sa example. Then lastly is civilian supremacy. In the democracy, civilian authority is above the military, meaning the military follow the civilian leaders like president. For example, the president mo kuman siya sa military o dipinsahan ato ang nasod, then atong presidente mo kuman pud siya og martial law. Then these elements and policies define and guide our nation. Thank you.